Doing 15 push-ups every day may sound small, but it is one of the most effective habits a person can build for strength, health, and discipline. Push-ups are a complete bodyweight exercise that activates multiple muscle groups at the same time. Even a low daily number like 15 creates powerful changes when done consistently. The real power of push-ups does not come from intensity alone, but from repetition over time. Push-ups primarily work the chest, shoulders, and arms, but their impact goes far beyond the upper body. When performed correctly, push-ups also activate the core, back, glutes, and even the legs. The body must stay stable and aligned, which forces multiple muscles to work together. This full body engagement is what makes push-ups so effective even at low repetitions. 15 push-ups every day help build foundational strength. Instead of exhausting the body, they gently challenge it. This allows muscles to recover while still being stimulated daily. Over time, the body adapts and becomes stronger without excessive fatigue or injury risk. This makes 15 push-ups ideal for beginners and busy individuals. One of the biggest advantages of daily push-ups is consistency. Many people fail at fitness because workouts feel too difficult or time-consuming. 15 push-ups remove those barriers. They take less than a few minutes and can be done anywhere. This simplicity makes it easier to stay consistent, which is the true key to results. Strength improves gradually with daily push-ups. Arms feel firmer, chest muscles become more defined, and shoulder stability increases. The body becomes better at pushing movements, which improves performance in daily tasks such as lifting, pushing, or carrying objects. This functional strength improves quality of life. Push-ups also strengthen the core muscles. To maintain proper form, the abs and lower back must stay engaged. Over time, this leads to a stronger core and better posture. Improved posture reduces back pain, shoulder tension, and neck discomfort. Better posture also improves breathing efficiency and confidence. Daily push-ups help improve joint health when done with correct form. The shoulders, elbows, and wrists adapt to controlled loading. Stronger muscles around joints provide better support and stability. This reduces the risk of injury and improves movement quality. Push-ups are also beneficial for heart health. Although not traditional cardio, push-ups increase heart rate, especially when done continuously. This improves circulation and cardiovascular endurance over time. Even short daily sessions contribute to overall heart health. 15 push-ups every day support fat loss indirectly. While the calorie burn from 15 push-ups alone is small, the real benefit comes from muscle activation and metabolism improvement. Building muscle increases resting metabolic rate, meaning the body burns more calories throughout the day. Over time, this supports fat reduction. Push-ups also improve insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity helps the body manage blood sugar more effectively and reduces fat storage. This metabolic improvement supports healthier body composition. Mental benefits of daily push-ups are just as powerful as physical ones. Showing up every day builds discipline and self-trust. Completing a small task daily reinforces the habit of consistency. This mental discipline often transfers into other areas of life such as work, study, and personal goals. Push-ups help build confidence. Feeling stronger creates a sense of control over the body. Confidence grows not from appearance alone, but from effort and commitment. This internal confidence supports long-term lifestyle improvement. Daily push-ups reduce stress. Physical movement releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce anxiety. Even a short session can clear the mind and reset focus. This makes push-ups an effective tool for mental well-being. Push-ups also improve coordination and body awareness. Proper form requires control, balance, and alignment. Over time, this improves movement efficiency and reduces wasted energy. Better coordination makes other exercises and activities easier. One of the most important benefits of 15 push-ups daily is sustainability. Extreme workouts often lead to burnout. Small daily habits are easier to maintain long-term. Sustainability leads to real transformation. Push-ups can be performed at any time of day. Morning push-ups energize the body and prepare the mind for the day. Evening push-ups release stress and tension. This flexibility makes them adaptable to any lifestyle. Daily push-ups improve muscle endurance. Muscles become better at performing repeated movements without fatigue. This endurance supports daily activities and physical resilience. Push-ups also strengthen grip and wrist stability. Supporting body weight improves wrist strength, which is often neglected in other exercises. Strong wrists reduce injury risk during daily tasks. Over time, 15 push-ups may begin to feel easier. This is a sign of progress. When strength improves, the body becomes more efficient. Even if the number stays the same, the quality of movement improves. Better form, deeper engagement, and controlled motion increase benefits. Push-ups teach patience. Results do not appear overnight, but daily effort accumulates. After weeks, arms feel stronger, posture improves, and confidence increases. After months, the transformation becomes visible. Push-ups do not require motivation. They require habit. Habit removes emotional decision-making. When push-ups become automatic, consistency becomes effortless. This habit-based approach leads to long-term success. Push-ups also improve breathing control. Coordinating breath with movement strengthens respiratory muscles. Better breathing improves endurance and stress control. Push-ups support healthy aging. Maintaining upper body strength becomes increasingly important with age. Daily push-ups help preserve muscle mass and mobility. This supports independence and physical capability later in life. Push-ups encourage body awareness. Feeling muscle engagement improves mind-body connection. This awareness helps prevent injury and improves exercise efficiency. Push-ups are adaptable. They can be done on knees, incline, or standard. This allows progression without pressure. Progression happens naturally as strength improves. Push-ups improve blood circulation. Better circulation supports nutrient delivery and waste removal. This supports recovery and overall health. Push-ups improve shoulder posture by strengthening stabilizing muscles. This reduces rounded shoulders caused by long sitting and phone use. Improved posture improves appearance and comfort. Daily push-ups create routine. Routine reduces chaos and increases productivity. Starting or ending the day with push-ups creates structure.